Hello, everybody. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Special shout out to Carrie Hall. Thank you for requesting that I make this cane again. It's actually an abstract line cane. I forgot who I saw make it, but it wasn't anything that I came up with. So I didn't use quite the same colors, but close. I got out my Kato black, some PREMO white, the PREMO Sunshine, which is the yellow color, and some silver with some glitter in it, and some purple metallic glitter. Everything is sculpted PREMO except for the black. I didn't have any more PREMO in black, so I used my Kato. So those are the colors, and I'm going to run them through the pasta machine. As you see right now, I have ran them through the pasta machine, and I have put my black clay into a little block. It's what you're going to want to do first. It's a very, very simple cane. I'm not going to talk the whole way through it because it's easy watch and learn. So you just basically want to cut this cane up any way you want to cut it up. The colors that I've put through the pasta machine are on the setting 0. So they're pretty thick. You can have yours thin, you can have them thicker because you're going to be reducing this cane. So you just cut them and you put them together, like I said, any way that you want. Start anywhere that you want, but just, cut on opposite of each other. The next cut should be crossways, the first cut like I'm doing right here. And then you just put another slice of your color in there. Now I'm sticking with the white, just doing 2 at a time. With this cane, it doesn't even matter which way you set the slices in there because the point is it's abstract. So it's all coming out of your creative mind. So you just put them in there any way you want. So I'm gonna let the video play and you can see how I put it all together. now that I've reduced the cane down to a circle, I wanted to go a little bit further and show you what you can do with the cane. You can do anything with it. You can make a veneer out of it. You can do earrings. I mean, a myriad of things. You can mold it, make cabochons, whatever it is you want to do. But I'm just going to test it out as I normally do with some earrings because they're the easiest. So when you're getting ready to make veneers, I think that the best way to reduce your cane is down to a square. If it's not a specific design, like this could have been easily a square, and then it would have made it easier. Well, I don't want to say easier, but it would have made more, I guess, well, yeah, easier on the veneer because it's easier to match up squares than it is circles. Circles leave spaces, but you can deal with the spaces with your roller and everything. But with that put aside, I reduced it down to the circle. I'm just laying down a mini veneer just as a tester. And I'm rolling them out, and I'm going to put it through the pasta machine. And there we have it out of the pasta machine. The pasta machine stretched the lines out a little bit more, gave it a whole different look. I love when my pieces come out of the pasta machine, especially when they're abstract canes or incidental canes. They just turn into something new once they've been stretched out. So I'm just straightening it. I'm just burnishing it, making sure all the seams are gone. I got one of my favorite cutters. This one came from Jessima Tutorial. She has a wonderful Etsy store out there. She's actually from Australia, Carrie, and has a wonderful channel. If you want to look for more clay videos because you said that you are new to clay, Jessima Tutorials is one of the people that I learned polymer clay from in the beginning. So she would be a wonderful start for you to go watch her channel also. So we have our earrings all cut out, and I am going to go ahead and arrange them, and I'm going to leave them right on this paper, this parchment paper that I have, and I am going to stick them in the oven on this piece of paper. And here they are, all made up, and I did put some resin on them, and I added a little yellow bead to accent the yellow clay that we put in, and here it is how it would look if I was wearing it myself. I love it. It came out very, very cute. I hope you had fun watching. I hope you learned something, and if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out. I would love to talk to you more about clay.